Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. Yazi uHugo Bros uzalelwe yinja endlini. uHugo Bros uzalelwe yinja endlini. Lana ngizokhuluma go-goalkeeper okungenzeka baqokwe for i-World Cup. Kulabo goalkeeper enginabo la emva kwami khona bani na? Kukhona uRonwen Williams, kube khona uRicardo Goss, kube khona uSipho Chain, mase kuba khona bani na? uPeterson. Ngeke ngimbaleke ugoalkeeper wesi-5 lo ovimbela iSikhukhune United okubani na? okuRonaldo Lien. uRonaldo Lien abafethu currently umjida akenzi kahle but ke bakhona nabo goalkeeper kule list le engiyibalile abangenzi kahle. So uHugo Bros kumele akhethe uhlu lo goalkeeper azohamba nabo aye le ku-World Cup. Lapho khona ke beyo-represent South Africa. Igame yokuqala nje soyidlala next month ngomhla ka-11 June. Siyodlala against iMexico. Njengoba siyodlala against iMexico, I think sekusele ba 3 weeks, yabo 3 weeks or 2 weeks, I don't know. Njengoba siyodlala nje kodwa kumele aqoke kulabo goalkeeper. uRonwen Williams bafethu siyambona. uRonwen Williams each and every week siyambona econsider lousy goals. Simbona kwi-Betway Premiership, simbone kuma-cup competitions, simbone futhi nakwi-CAF Champions League umshida econsider ama-goals. Angazi noma mhlambe ugoalkeeper omncane ovimbela intwana bengalivimba la kuRonwen Williams unama-mistakes owabona kahle. Usiyabona la uma lama mistakes awenze on a big stage singalimala kakhulu. Mhlanje Mamelodi Sundowns adidlala against iSiwelele, yabona ba right nje bele phezulu bawu2 ade kudlala iSiwelele against Mamelodi Sundowns. Njengoba kudlala iSiwelele against iSundowns, you would think uRonwen Williams as the number 1 goalkeeper Bafana Bafana, he will concede less goals because his team is fighting to win the league. The only thing that will stop Mamelodi Sundowns is ingayiwini league is because of amagoli. The only thing that will stop Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi ingayiwini league amagoli. Uyayazi Memo ucaptain. Njengoba ewucaptain eyazi Memo, uzoconsider 4 goals. Angifuni ukusho ke lo ukuthi uconsider amagoli amangaki. Angazi mhlawumbe akhulumile naye. Angifuni ukusho ukuthi uzoconsider 4 goals. Do you think as a national team kumele siye forward and say kumele simthathe? Yes, I'm not saying Ronwen Williams is a bad goalkeeper, but currently umjida akenzi kahle, yabo. Yes, he's South Africa's number 1 goalkeeper, but currently he's not doing well. Goss conceded 7 goals. I don't know what was going on today. He was one of the best goalkeepers akhona. He played like prime Buffon against Orlando Pirates, but against Mamelodi Sundowns he conceded 7 goals. When it comes to Peterson for me, he's a great shout for being the best goalkeeper okhona kwi-Betway Premiership so far in terms of goalkeeper ofacea ama-shot amaningi, yabo. Peterson is there. But ke Peterson versus ubani na uChain, I feel like for me it is stats versus shots faced and big games, yabo, because he tends to show up in big games. Peterson, for me, he tends to show up. So I would vouch for Peterson ukuthi ke aselectwe and vouch for uSipho Chain ukuthi aselectwe. Naye kuRonwen Williams bandla. But ke izwe indaba regarding ubani uChain. Izokuthiwa ngenzeka uSipho Chain angakhethwa uHugo Bros. Kuthiwa uHugo Bros akayithandanga indlela ayiphatha ngakhona uSipho Chain kwi-camp yeBafana Bafana le yayihambile iye le ku-AFCON. Remember ke kwakulandwa ugoalkeeper kubani na uSipho Chain, uRicardo Goss, mase kuba bani uRonwen Williams. Kwi-camp akathandanga indlela ayiphatha ngayo uSipho Chain, benubani na benosipho Mbule. Indaba ke lezo bafethu ke engiyizwile namhlanje. Athi ke ngingeke ngazi ukuthi ke uHugo Bros uzowaziba yini lama stats alethwa uSipho Chain, because uSipho Chain usethole i-stats esihle kakhulu sokuba nje ugoalkeeper oqala othole ama-clean sheets akhona kwi-Betway Premiership. Uyena goalkeeper oqala since yasungulwa iBetway, yabo. So mina ngokwami uHugo Bros kumele enze sure ukuthi ke usikhethela the best players, because if he continues choosing ama players based on inhliziyo, leyo nto izosibulala as a national team. Kumele choose the best performing players. Ipride yakhe ayibeke eceleni because sizodliwa. We are going to lose. So phuma nje kuma group stages if ezolanda ugoalkeeper abona kahle nawo ukuthi ke ngeke basisebenzele labo goalkeeper. He must choose goalkeepers based on performance, yabo. Best players, they must go to i-World Cup. Bayodlala ku-World Cup bafethu asibe neVAR. Hugo Bros, you must be fair to these players, guys. You must be fair.